Mr. Co-Facilitator, I am speaking on behalf of the NGO Major Group and my own organization, the Institute for Advanced Sustainability Studies in Potsdam, Germany. We commend the inclusiveness of this process and want to make 2 points, one on indicators and one on the targets. On indicators, we welcome the report of the Statistical Commission, as indicators should be selected in a transparent and participatory process that includes the participation of civil society experts and of transdisciplinary science at all levels. At the global level, we request that civil society experts are included in the work of the interagency and expert group on SDG indicators, and that contact information for all expert group members be made available. Moreover, we need robust indicators to protect civic freedoms and to ensure active civil society engagement at the national level. We support selecting indicators that monitor multiple goals and targets. For example, land and soil indicators will underpin the achievement of several of the SDGs and should therefore be monitored in a cross-cutting way. This would imply measuring aspects of changes in land cover and use, productivity, and soil organic carbon, as these indicators support the measurement of the proposed SDGs 1, 2, 6, 7, 11, 13, and 15. The second point is on the targets. We thank the co-facilitators for the effort to review the targets. We believe that most of your proposals are indeed improvements, as is the case for target 6.3 on water quality. We would, however, also respectfully ask the co-facilitators to withdraw the amendments made for 4 of the targets, as they are not consistent with international agreements and diminish their ambition. We would also like to thank Mexico for its acknowledgement of the need to maintain ambition in this regard. Target 6.6, 15.1, and 15.3 have all had their deadlines moved from 2020 to 2030. The 2020 deadline is in line with the Aichi targets and should therefore not be changed. For target 15.2, we agree that the ambition for restoration of degraded lands to 15% should be clarified. But as is written by now, the language no longer relates to halting deforestation, and this should not be the case. Alternatively, the 2020 deadlines contained in these targets could be recognized as interim and defined at multiple intervals between 2015 and 2030 to ensure that progress remains on track. We regret the proposed changes or additions to the language of target 3.2, as it appears to change the target to a less inclusive one. This proposed revision does not appear to be consistent with the human right to health. To conclude, we support civil society participation in the interagency expert group on indicators and suggest redrawing the changes proposed to targets 6.6 and 15.1, 0.2, and 0.3. We're pleased to be able to share the results of our analysis here today, and I thank you, Mr. Co-Facilitator.